Hello dear students, welcome once again in our new video. Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about big data, big insight. In our previous video we cover some points. That point is location tracking, second one understanding the weather pattern, third one healthcare, and fourth point is banking, finance and trading. Now in today's video we are going to cover the remaining point such as sports, advertising, entertainment and media, and last point is एज्युकेशन इंडस्ट्री. गॉट इट एव्हरीबॉडी. उरलेले जे 4 पॉईंट आहेत स्पोर्ट्स, ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग, एंटरटेनमेंट अँड मीडिया आणि एज्युकेशन, हे 4 पॉईंट आपण या आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काय पाहिलं होतं की व्हॉट आर द युजेस ऑफ बिग डेटा, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय बिग डेटा अँड हाऊ इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर अस. काय याचे उपयोग आहेत, आपण कसा वापर करतो हे आपण पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिलेले आहे. सो लेट्स ओपन युअर बुक अँड सी ऑन द पेज नंबर 38. फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज स्पोर्ट्स. So see, I am going to read. You also silently read it in your book. So see, when watching a cricket match, we are shown so many prematuations and combinations of statistical analysis. A genetic data has been created over a period of time from recording of matches, training session and workout. So what is this? When we are going to watch the matches on the TV, आता IPL सुरू झाले, तुम्ही मॅचेस पाहता. When any players come to play on the ground at that time, some records of that players showing on the screen. त्या प्लेयरचे रेकॉर्ड्स त्या स्क्रीनवरती आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात. यांनी किती रन बनवलेले आहेत, किती चौकार मारलेले आहेत आतापर्यंत, किती सिक्स मारलेले आहेत. सो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द वन इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्लेयर्स. एकाच प्लेयरची इन्फॉर्मेशन नाही, तर इट इज अ कंपॅरिझन इन्फॉर्मेशन, तुलनात्मक इन्फॉर्मेशन पण आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, धोनीने किती मॅचेस जिंकलेल्या आहेत आणि रोहित शर्माने किती मॅचेस जिंकलेले आहेत. आपण पहिला मॅच IPLचा जेव्हा पाहिला, ॲट द टाईम सम कंपॅरिझन वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच ऑन द TV. हाऊ मेनी मॅचेस दे आर प्लेड and how many matches owned by Chennai and how many matches owned by Mumbai. So that is the comparison. And what happened because of that? Because of that comparison, because of that information, every players going to compare to others and get the information about other players. Then see, the data enables to sportsman to study his performance as well as the other players worldwide. यातून काय होतं की स्पोर्ट्समन जे आहेत, इट इज दॅट डेटा इज यूजफुल फॉर द स्टडी, फॉर द परफॉर्मन्स. मागच्या मॅचमध्ये परफॉर्मन्स कसा होता, कुठल्या बॉलला कसा खेळतो, बाउन्सर आला तर कसा खेळतो, एखाद्या प्लेअरचा विकनेस काय आहे, एखाद्या प्लेअरचा प्लस पॉईंट काय आहे, कुठला बॉल एखाद्या खेळाडूला खेळता येत नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, रोहित शर्माला जर यार्कर टाकला तर तो आऊट होऊ शकतो का, हे सगळा अभ्यास काय करत असतात बॉलर मॅच सुरू व्हायच्या अगोदर पाहत असतात की रोहित शर्मा जास्तीत जास्त कुठल्या बॉलवर आऊट झालेला आहे, किंवा धोनी कुठल्या बॉल म्हणजे स्पिन चांगला खेळतो का फास्ट चांगला खेळतो. हे माहिती हे बघून त्यांना काय होतं, यूजफुल आहे. सो गॉट इट एव्हरीबॉडी. देन सी, द सेन्सर embedded in the sports equipment help us to understand our game from close quarters. The sensor help us to understand the field condition, the weather, individual performance, etc. Video analytics help us to see each and every performance minutely. So what happened? Some sensors, equipments useful for the sportsmen to getting information about the ground, getting information about the pitch, getting information about the anything about the match. गॉट इट. सो दिस इज अबाउट द स्पोर्ट्स. स्पोर्ट्समध्ये बिग डेटाचा काय इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे. स्टॅटिस्टिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन बघा येते. ते मॅच सुरू असताना दोन संघाचा जर मॅच सुरू असेल तर ते ग्राफच्या माध्यमातून दाखवलेलं असतं की 10व्या ओव्हरच्या वेळेला एका संघाचा स्कोर किती होता, विकेट किती पडल्या होत्या, कम्पेअरली दुसऱ्या संघाचा ग्राफ वर आहे का खाली आहे, ही सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपण स्क्रीनवर पाहत असतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड स्टॅटिस्टिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन. गॉट इट एव्हरीबॉडी. सो दिस बिग डेटा इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी यूजफुल फॉर अ स्पोर्ट्स. गॉट इट. सो let's turn toward the next point, and our next point is advertising. So see, advertising is one of the biggest player in a big data. Why I'm going to tell this? Because of the advertisement on a Facebook, advertisement on a Google, advertisement on a Twitter, or advertisement on television, or advertisement on any online games. Got it? All keep a track of the user's behavior and transactions. What happens when we are going to use internet? For example, if we are searching some information on a Google, if we are going to search something on the YouTube, if we are going to search something on the internet, at that time that information is stored on the internet, stored in a big data, and this is the reference. They think means internet refer you. This person is always going to find out this type of information. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा, तुमच्या घरामध्ये एखादा लहान मुलगा आहे आणि तुम्ही त्याला यूट्यूबवरती लहान मुलांचे व्हिडिओज दाखवता. तर जेव्हा तुम्ही यूट्यूब ओपन कराल, तुम्हाला ॲटोमॅटिक्स लॉट्स ऑफ व्हिडिओज आर देअर फॉर अ किड्स. लहान मुलांसाठीचेच व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला सगळे दिसणार. जर तुम्ही कॉमेडी व्हिडिओ बघत असाल यूट्यूबला, तर तुम्ही यूट्यूब जेव्हा ओपन कराल तेव्हा तुम्हाला कॉमेडीचेच व्हिडिओ दिसाल. का हे होतं? बिकॉज बिग डेटा स्टोर युअर इन्फॉर्मेशन. दे ऑब्झर्व युअर बिहेवियर. ऑब्झर्व युअर बिहेवियर मीन्स तुमचा जो युजेस आहे त्याचं ते ऑब्झर्वेशन करतात, अँड दॅट टाईप ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन दे ॲटोमॅटिकली प्रोव्हाइड यू. गॉट इट? इट इज कॉल्ड ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट. सो नाव सी, take Facebook for example. Here you can target people based on buying internet, website visit, interest, job rules, and demographics. See, there is a new word, demographic. What does it mean by demography? Demographic means, see, in a glossary, in a blue box, statistical data relating to the given population and particular group within it. It is called a demographic. So they observe it. Okay, so where we are, we take one example of Facebook. For example, here you can target the people based on the buying on the internet. We are purchases many things from Amazon, Amazon, Flipkart. So from that sites, the internet get our information and they provide something to us. Sometimes if you are an online buyer, then always on your mobile some advertises are blinking related to online shopping. It means they observe you. It means they observe you and provide that kind of information. ऑब्झर्वेशन सुरू असतं इंटरनेटवर तुमचं, आणि मग त्याच टाईपच्या ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट तुमच्या गुगलवरती किंवा तुमच्या मोबाईलवरती ब्लिंक होत असतात. गॉट इट? ऑल दिस डेटा इज कलेक्टेड बाय फेसबुक algorithms using big data analysis techniques. The same goes for the Google. आणि सेम गुगलवर पण असंच आहे. सारखं ज्या प्रकारची इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम्ही सर्च करत असता, दॅट टाईप ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रेफर फॉर यू. When you target people based on the clicks, you will get different result, and when you create a campaign for a lead, when you will get different result. All this made possible using big data, and that all that things possible, all that things happen only because of big data. Big data means internet. Got it, everybody? So now turn toward the next. and one of the favorite, one of the popular things on the internet is entertainment and media. Each and every person going to watch videos, listening songs, and many things we are doing for our doing for our entertainment on internet. So in the field of entertainment and media, big data focus on the targeting people with the right content at the right time. Based on your past view and your behavior online, you will be shown different recommendation. This technique is popularly used by Netflix and YouTube to be increase engagement and drive more revenues. सो सी, मी तुम्हाला आत्ता पण अगोदरच्या पॉईंटमध्ये पण सांगितलं होतं की इट इज डिपेंड ऑन आवर बिहेवियर, इट इज डिपेंड ऑन आवर ब्राउजिंग, what type of sites we are browse. They provide such a information. Got it? Netflix and YouTube both are the channels. So on that channels we are going to see some videos for entertainment. For example, frequently you are going to see only videos, sports related videos. At that time we are always see that video on that screen. Now even television broadcasts are looking to segment their viewers database and show different advertisement and show accordingly. This will be allow better revenue for ads and will provide more engaging user experience. And from that advertisement they get a good revenue. त्यांना चांगला त्याच्यातून महसूल मिळत असतो. कोणाला? दे प्रोव्हायडर, साईट प्रोव्हायडर जे आहेत त्यांना त्यातून मिळत असतो. गॉट इट? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अबाउट education industry. This is our last point and related to our study. See, nowadays because of coronavirus we are going to learn many things from online. From last so many days we are engaged through online teaching, and this is our online learning and teaching. So education, what are the uses for a education industry? This is a very useful for a education. Why I am going to tell you? Because of that videos, because of internet, we are going to see same videos from different views. Got it? Big data has inundated the education industry. It has transformed it in a leap and bounds. Now we have information about the students, their study patterns, and we can now prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to need of an individual students. Every student's comprehension level is different. The course material can now be designed creating to a different requirement of students. Big data make it convenient to understand their choice, their difficulties, information regarding various courses and their specialties. We also have an access to the result. From the result we can gauge the progress of students, understand his strength and weakness. This will also help in guiding the students regarding the best career for his based on his mental makeup and abilities. So in education there are numbers of apps are available, like Byju app is there. So it is a depend on the students. Each and every student is different from others. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी हा दुसऱ्यापेक्षा वेगळा आहे. सो प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यासाठी त्याच्या ॲबिलिटीनुसार, त्याच्या मेंटॅलिटीनुसार कोर्सेस तयार केलेले आहेत, स्टडी मटेरियल तयार केलेलं आहे, and it is useful for students to understand, and it is useful to solve their difficulties. So student also have the choice which type of material they want. Got it? So because of this we can understand the strength of the student, and we can understand the weakness of the students, and as per her or his ability we can provide them a best educational material. Depth study of all this would definitely give new insights into the education industry and help in improving the operational effectiveness and working of educational institute. This would be a general enhance progress of all students. Big data has provided a solution to one of the biggest pitfall in the education industry, that is one size fit all. We have innumerable use of big data. It is a helpful in scientific researches, understanding geographical phenomena, helping in the smooth working of the government machinery, etc. It is a gem in our hand. It is lie in our hand to make to optimum use of it for the benefit of mankind. सो इट इज अ जीन, हा एक जादूचा दिवा आहे आपल्या हातामध्ये. सो इट इज अ कोणता दिवा आहे जादूचा? इंटरनेट. बिग डेटा इज द जीन आहे आपल्यासाठी. वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू सर्च, everything is available on the internet. So it is a gene for us. It is one of the easy way to find out whatever we want to find. So in this way, in this lesson we are going to learn about the uses of big data and how it is helpful for a student, how it is helpful for every human being, how it is useful for a sportsman, how it is useful in a banking sector, how it is useful in a health care industry, and how it is useful for a common man also. Got it everybody? So this lesson is about today's technology, today's new generations. Okay, so I hope you all understand it. In our next video we are going to see the brainstorming activities. Got it everybody? Thank you so much.